ingalo yomthetho madoda sawubona.
Hey sisi uyaphila.
Ngiphila kakhulu ndoda. Hamba.
Angikho right man ngithi ngivakashele la eRustenburg. Hey sengithola indaba ezibuhlungu la.
Hayibo.
Khona indoda lana ithela umbayo ngopetrol. Ifuna ukumshisa. Hey ayangishaqisa le ndaba yangikwatisa man.
Yo, okay. Use-Rustenburg wena mina ngise-Sun City so I don't think i-distance yinde kakhulu. Ithi ngikusondele ngizokufonela mase Ayike yabona ke i-network yasendabeni zase-Sun City. Asimsondele.
As a crisis.
Right.
Sisinamfuthi.
Sisandile.
Hayi wena ungizwisa ubuhlungu wena.
Yo.
Ngizwile nengalo yami yomthetho ikwate kakhulu. Uthi kwenzakalani?
Ugayi ungithwele ngilele endlini like besibuya kongcwaba udadwa bomkhulu wami.
At this point you're married?
Yes.
Nabantwana?
Sinomntwana.
Nihlala endlini eyi-1?
Besihlala endlini eyi-1, yes.
Qhubeka ke.
Angithwele ngilele. Same like bengibuya emngcwabeni silele emabhodweni ngakusasa like umzimba ukhathele understand plus ne-bev something like that. Afika angivuse rof. Ya wena nalo bakho. Ngithi hayi uqalile wena ngale itori zakho. Wabe sokufuna kuliwe nje like stuff like that. Hayi mina ungazongikhathaza. Hayi angangiyeki, angisho ngeinhlamba. Kanti vele usually ukumthulisa ngathatha ibutcher knife. Ngamgijimisa ngayo balekela ngaphandle. Fika uma kulamaje lanka. Didobhilitsho ufuna ungishaya ngalo.
Yo.
And by that time kana ngingcwele ngibethe iphenti kuphela ngaphandle. Ngibaleke ngingena endlini. Immediately mangena endlini ashaya amatshe amafastereni wonke. And manje ngicela ukuthenga slide into se-9,000 rand.
Yo.
Ashaye lo mfana size siphelele sharp ke ashaya thila zaceda. La ngibona khona ukuthi azokuthini othi ngicishe ilight.
Sure.
Immediately mangicisha ilight kanti uyangena ngazo ngathi uphethe ibhaket, uphethe ipetrol. Mangicisha ilight nangu uyangena ngebhaket. Petrol. And angibona ukuthi uphethe ibhaket ukuyabona because sengicishile. Wavela ngithela ngepetrol eorder emzimbeni like from ebusweni ukenzansi. Sharp maqeda ukungithela abalekele ngaphandle. Ngajumpa ngefastela lakhila uNkulunkulu wangipha amandla. Ngajumpa ifastela. Mind you, ngisayophuma ngiyojumpa ifence. And by that time lolo fence alikho stele. Ngiyazama ukucanca. Mangilapha phezulu efensini ifence ibona ke khalenza so nami. Njengathi nje uNkulunkulu wamcela ungipha amandla ngiphume la.
Mara akakuboni.
Akangibona ngithena uconcentrate ubheke ngale uthi maybe ngizophuma eminyango.
Yeah.
Angingena ngale ejardini leli ngapha. Ngawela phansi. Ngagijima ngabhodela ngaphambili kule jaridi. Everanti ngafika ngakokota. So ba shocked ukuthi ke nobani lokokota because ama gate abo avaliwe. Senyakokota sebayavuka. Ubani before bangivulela. Nangu uyakhuphuka ugayi ngathi uyakubo. Kanti mase ngizokuzwa afterwards. Uyobatshela ukuthi babuye bazolanda ifridge yakho ufuna ukushisa umuzi wakhe. Yang understand? Ulayida umuzi kanje ngilay next door uqala ushisa umuzi ngilay next door.
So in his head, in his mind, you're still in the house?
Yes, ngokuya ngaye bekacamthi ngisendlini. Because akangibonanga imovement yami ukuphuma. Akangibonanga imovement yokuphuma. Kwabe nguthi ke na sesiyahlala kubantu bayaphathala la phela na nje ishile iphelile. Bayabona ukuthi vela ngichamuka ngisho ukuthi vele ngishile ngaphakathi. Police station nakhona mangifika and we've been trying to call them the police station. Masifika sithola balele. Ifone bayibekele lapha ya kuthi ngaring nokuring. Masifika khani bavuka. Khani balungisa ifone bayibeka kahle. Singabanikeza istory then babhala ke icase bavuluka icase something like that. Then ngalinda ishift ezongena. Bangithatha ke. Bathi ke siyomlanda ugayi. Masizo approacha istrate esingenela la sihlala khona. Nangu uyaphuma ngazibeka saboleka ubani ibhrukunyana elifishana. Nangu uyaphuma futhi na imoto zamaphoyisa amaziza. Akacabanga ukuthi ke naziza kuye. Esimachena azi ukuthi mina ngiphelele endlini. ube aware nje imoto masezi ngibatshele ukuthi uye loya
zama phambi kwakhe
zashaya ispeed zim-attack athi uthi yabaleka okay likely bamgijimisa bamfaka evenini bangithatha mina bangimikisa esibhedlela
wakubona
wangibona libe langithuka sala bebosala bakudla.
Did you get arrested? You got arrested that day?
Yes.
And then what happened?
Wangena from that December, if I'm not mistaken, uphume May or June. Nakhona ngingazi mina ukuthi uphumile.
What was the charge?
Attempted murder and arson.
Yeah. Manje uphuma kanjani?
Inkinga yileyo sisandile. Yiyo into engiphethe kabuhlungu.
Manje njoba usibhalela. What's the big thing that you want me to help you with?
Yo, my big thing dinga ijustice sisandile.
Uthi unomngani osazi story sakho?
Yes.
Okay, angafakaza ukuthi kwenzakala.
Angafakaza usazi sonke istory.
Okay. Asam. Before ilanga lishona yabo.
Okay.
Sibona umngani wakho then siyobona indlu. Kunjani mama? Ngiyaphila uandile lona.
Usiwa kaNkosi.
Hayi ngiyajabula ukwazi mama. Manje usisintombi futhi usitshela ukuthi umngani.
Yes.
And you know about life kwenzakaleni kuye. Wena wazini mama?
Indlu Mayisha bekhona ngibukele indlu Mayisha.
Umphakathi uyamiyeka kuyamiwa.
Sithola abantu bamile vele.
As a woman, what did that say to you?
Sizokwenza sisandile.
Anisamemezi
wonke umuntu khona sithola abantu babukele mina engifike late ke ngithola abantu babukele.
Kuwe kuthini ngepolice station la? Another way amaphoyisa ahandle ngakhona ukuthi uhlale 2 months.
Amaphoyisa untomfuthi awumsiza ngani ngoba mabeza makuntomfuthi kuyo bakhothayo khani beza. Ngoba khona umunye usisi weza wabhalisa statement sami wathi uzobuya since till today.
What has been your advice woman to woman to mngani wakho?
Into mina engiyifisayo nami ukuthi akabanjwe lo mfana. Ngoba yinto engihlale ngisho ukuthi what if untomfuthi bekafile? Kusho ukuthi ngabe kuphelile nje kanjalo ku right untomfuthi ufile.
Why umbiza umfana?
Umfana intanga yami mosa.
Nawe mawukhuluma ngaye ngifuna ukubuza wena wayebiza indoda yakho umfana?
Akusindoda.
Okay, I hear that. Leyo ukuthi umfana iqala after all these things
after incident.
Yeah.
Angithola lo ngibeke emthatha njengendoda.
Sure.
So wangikhomba ukuthi yena akasindoda. Ku-acta njengomfana.
Understood.
Yes.
Understood. Okay, so isifiso sakho ukuthi athole ijustice. All right. Okay. Ngiyabonga mama.
Bonga.
Let's go. Yamazi lo sisi.
Umsadi yabo.
Umsadi wa hawo. Umthele ngepetrol.
Ngiyake.
Awuzange umthele ngepetrol ushisa indlu. Yeah, manje wathi kubuya kanye. Why bomthela ngepetrol?
Wayithe.
Hayi mina ngibuza wena baba.
Wena okena ke.
Violence is femicide as a crisis. Violence is femicide as a crisis.
So this is our complainant. Umoleti show ya rona. This is a new show called Sengzwilebo. Yeah. We're dealing strictly with gender-based violence, domestic violence, intimate partner violence cases. And Dabaya Haibshuku because she did open a case. And the guy, husband, was arrested. Okay. Stayed for 3 to 4 months. Was released on bail. Nobody notified her. Nobody told her anything. Kuzwa ngabantu sekahlangana na estradini sekamuhlapawula samuhlapula like on Saturday. So if this man can get a chance of being with her one-on-one, anything can happen.
Why think it's a list police? There's a protocol in SAPS that there must be a communication officer
I understand
communicate and relate some of these things. But
yes,
as I know as the police, if someone gets bail, there are conditions that the person was given by court.
Okay.
That we releasing you on condition that you will never maybe communicate with the witness or threaten the witness or do 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
That means when a contravening the first saying bail condition.
Yes.
And it must be reported. And if it is reported, there must be steps taken.
Ramolata rona he.
What we can do after taking the statement, there are steps that we're going to take to make sure that she's safe until everything is resolved.
Cool.
When you live here, you live knowing that she's safe where she is, and the police are going to take steps against the perpetrator.
Perfect. Yanga.
Siswa,
Ukahle ndoda.
hayi inkodile.
Lalela-ke nazi indaba ezimnandi.
Khuluma nami.
Indaba ilungisiwe njengoba singenile phakathi sathola no station commander balidingida udaba kulungile manje. So wena ungabuyela labo uchile khona uyozi-enjoya indaba yakho wehlisa umoya isiphethe manje.
Hayi ngoba khona bese ngidineke kakhulu.
Usodineka.
Mawungikhulula ukuthi sekukhona abazokunceda.
Hayi no, ngiphethe abakasidlodla.
Ngiyakutshela.
Ohle nga. Sharp. Ayike njengoba wazi ukuthi thina ngeke siphumule until we find justice for all the women who are abused in South Africa. So ke manje amaphoyisa ayadingida indaba bazositshela ukuthi bathini. Kodwa mina engikufuna kakhulu ukuthi uyobona ubaba uKenneth Matthews. Hamba nami. Nabo bakasidlodlo manje sisematheni abo sihamba nabo siyolanda Mr Matthews. Le ndaba ye violence against women it stops here. So follow me. Siyakulandela baba. Kenny kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngiyaphila baba. Kenny Matthews. Mina ngo-Andile Khailisiwe. Le show le sibiza Sengizwile bo. Uyamazi lo sisi?
Umsadi yakho mntu.
Umsadi wa hawo. Umthele ngepetrol.
Ubuya ke.
Awuzange umthele ngepetrol ushisa indlu. Manje wawuthi kibuya kanye. Umthelile ngithi. Why bomthela ngepetrol?
Wayithe.
Hayi mina ngibuza wena baba.
Wena okena ke futhi.
Because ubize mina.
Yani ngaba khubulelethi.
Why ngibuza wena ngithi kumela? Why umthethi ka petrol?
Mme ke monyetsi ne?
Yeah.
So ke monyetseng. Wetsi ke nne le problem tse dintsi thata.
Give me one problem. One problem.
Re ntse le ene sebaka. Ke ntse le ene re na le ngwana wa 13 years like jana. Ke ntse le ene sebaka ke ise ke be ke bone problem e tlo tsagala. Wa ntla ba kae? Ke tse ding ke tsagaletse after ke monyala tse ke di boneng. Before ke monyala ise ke bone sebaka tlo bolela maka. Re ba ka di hotela ke link re ile fa ke. Re ba ka di hotela nna le re le two. So o ba ka sansi ke ba ka fa ba go. Di shift tsa rona ga di kopana. Wa ntla ba kae? So o tsama phakela nna ke tsama late. So ga tsama late ga ke kgone go bona gore tsa ga re kopana go kopana busi re tsena go tšhateng go le sharp. Ga ke tshaisa busi. Di problem le simo tsa fela ka 2023 ge lo ga ke bui maka. Wa ntla ba kae? A simola ntšhantšhela founu ene wa ga te founu a ntšhantšhela ne o e reketse ke out go nna le wena gona no wa ntla ba ai ne sharp ga ke itse simola sa ngwana ke lene a mpontsha go papa founu e bereka so na go ngwe itse ke le mo mosebetsing ke itunetse ka break ga ke tlo re tla ke kry di messages tsa batho ba ile go busy le bo ba bona ya ding ya sangantsa sharp ka tsama tsapa ka ya go ga ngwana ge ga di wa de banna gaufi le go ka tsama tsapa ka ke na le problem ntse sone ga gona mo tikileng ngatla.
So the messages tse ne di watch it
botlhoko ba ntho le gone botlhoko wa bona dilo tse di nna too much monna e le gore ke kgone gore ke tsogele masigo ke tle le batho go family ya bone ke nne fa le bone ke chaisa o isa go ke nne le bone e foto ba kgone bona motho ntho etse o na le problem a bujwala motho wa tlhaloganya na kgone gore feta fa a tlhapetse
Ai kolomta.
a utlwe go etsagala gore ka nako e re tla lwana le nna ke chaisa ke tswa mo mosebetsing ge ke chaisa ge go tsena go nna go jakateng ke ka le go motho o gayo ke simotsa e le labone ge go na le leso mo family ya kwa bone like re le ka setso ge go na le family kwa bone ke mokgonyana tsentse go thusa ke go teng then ke a tswa ke ya go teng so vale ge re tsena go lesong di action tsa nna di etsa like nna ke le monna ge se le a ntlogela phakela mo ntlo ga sang a tenda go lesong la kwa bona tlo ncheka go mfeto o tlile fa o tshila o sharp like mosadi tsentse na itse ka sure freita ga be ke sa e go tebello a tsamaya go lesong o tsamile ka freita ga e o bosigo saturday ge go chaisa ke tswafa ke gantse le gayo o go lesong le la kwa bona a sala tsamile ke monna ke mosadi ke monyetse ke gantse le go lesong le ne sharp ka tsena after ka tsena go tšhateng go nna ka gantse le gayo e be ke tsa tšhelete ke ikela go tavern ya gatang kwa sefiso ga go tsena ke yo go tavern since a ile leso
yeah listen to me hore o jola le mang wena ha o jola
Ke
le mang.
monyatsi mo se motho.
That does not matter.
Ntho e methageng ke wena o e batlang.
You have no right.
Ntho e methageng ke ntho e etsang wena.
Tshela motho. Mamele.
So ntho e methageng ke wena o e batlang.
Kenny.
Amapedi.
You don't scream at me. I'm not your wife. Okay? Let's start there.
Ke mo boditse ntho go mosadi ya ka wena.
O cheatile or ha cheater. No one has a right to tell motho ka petrol.
Violence in femicide as a crisis. Violence in femicide as a crisis.
O jole Joel Moseki motho.
Joel Moseki ke mang?
Joel Moseki wa mo.
Ke mamose Joel Moseki.
O jole Joel Moseki o jalo le o tia ana le na ga gona batho se ke le message jama. Ba le tsheng ba re tito utlwe. Outlwe. Go nna go monna nyala last week yana go maseko. O jalo le bone motho wa monna.
My brother tla go jetse something. All of
Ana
us.
o sita go bolela motho ke ntsela ne se bakane. Sela ka mo utlwa utlwe ka mmolella ka wetsi o se bona ntwe le mpisi ka. Anta ka nna ke a gola go nna sa go riso. O le tufana go di giant tsa jole le tsone. Ntse ba le ke unwentseng ya.
Wetsang?
Le ba ke unwe di giant tse nna ke mmolela street. Yes.
Oh, you're not jolly di giant.
Yes, yes. Nna ke mutla ke mmolela ke a mo.
Yeah. Listen to me. Hore o jola le mang wena ha o jola
Ke
le mang.
monyatsi mo se motho.
That does not matter.
Ntho e methageng ke wena o e batlang.
You have no right.
Ntho e methageng ke ntho e etsang wena.
Tshela motho. Mamele.
So ntho e methageng ke wena o e batlang.
Kenny.
Amapedi.
You don't scream at me. I'm not your wife. Okay? Let's start there. Ngithi kuwe.
Ke mo boditse ntho go mosadi ya ka wena.
O cheatile or ha cheater. No one has a right to tell motho ka petrol. Kenny.
Ne ke sa tshele ngwanyeno ka
O
petrol.
re motshetse ka petrol.
Yes, because
She's
ne
in
ke
the
difa to
house.
tshwere tipa nna ke fisa ntwelo motho ga sa.
I was inside the house.
What's it?
Someone in the house. Wa bona?
Exactly.
Ai sanga ka pena ntlo motho a le.
Ha o tshela petrol, o ntshela ka
O
petrol.
mmona feta pela hao.
Ha mpona.
O mmona feta pela hao.
Ambona.
Ngiyabuza. Yebo noma cha.
Ke a go ga ba mospotsong ka
O re
wena.
wena no never o chise ntlo a le ka mohadi.
Yes.
Ke
Ke
re mo
me
wena
fa.
he.
Ne nka se ka fisa ntlo ne ke sa fisi motho ne ke
So
fisa
then
ntlo.
o mo bone na a feta pela
None.
hao to make sure that
Motho o
she's not in the
tswile.
house.
Yes, o tswile a ya fa ntlo mo tech shop
O
for lo.
mmone ka.
Ha mpona.
Ke mmone
Liar.
ga ntse ne ke le ko kae.
Liar.
Ne ke le ko ke mmone ga ke na matlho.
Liar.
Abambonile
Shaba mathaka a feletsa ke bese ka ditlhole iwa.
And so my thing is, when you are saying wa cheatela, o kwatile no so you even did this, so
Too much.
the next thing to do now in your mind that is depressed and feels like the option is to burn your own house that you
Yes.
live
Yeah, ke a ka mos.
in. So how we
O kena ke moyone wena.
what must happen? It's over. She's out of the house.
Wa bona mafuka a ne
Ntho tsa hao.
itlella. Wa bona ntho engwe e di tso ke fise ntlo le.
Yeah.
Mafuka nna ngwanyana a bua. A utlwe. Wa itse ntare motho. O ntare nna ke strong ba di mo ba go ga ba thata ne. Ga lantsa ba tlomphola ga itse go pala eng.
Why no samotlhala?
Exactly.
Ke motlhala ke monye. A utlwe ke tse ka ndi tsagetse mo short period ne.
Wena bua tsa why bua tsa ka? Why you talk about me?
You went to all your families.
I was trying.
Mo tsa gore mama ge weditseng. Mama ge weditseng. Ya ka le mama motsetsi.
Wa try how to le motho fela.
Some of the things Odi Buang, I believe you when you say you went everywhere to try and get help. Because that's what you're supposed to do. But the fact that family alone, Lili too, ili faith, doesn't mean now you kill someone.
I wasn't killing. E bua ko ena eo.
Mina ngitiguwe baba, unfortunately for you, in South Africa we do not and will not tolerate violence against women. If Mutual cheated and there's no support for you, Thala.
Once.
Bari nyala unyele, wa thala, and you save your life. Because right now, you put your own life in danger.
It doesn't matter. Ema danger ngwa tshwana nna ke inetse.
By
Ya ke inetse.
Ning from when?
The very first time ke bona ngwana ke etsang ke inetse nna.
Okay. So when you were doing that available, so was ukuthi sekuphelile.
Ga ne ke etsang?
Umthela ama petrol ushisa indlu.
Wana ntle ke go gatela ntho go ne ke tshela motho ka petrol no le teng na wena.
Unamang.
Ke mang?
O dumetse le wena o mothetsi ka
Gape
petrol.
sa wa ipega gape.
Motho nna ntebetse ka
Yes,
thipa.
protecting yourself. You see, mina ngesidlali 1-2 mina nawe. Because mina ngilwi nawe. Ne? I brought her here ukuthi ufuna ukukutshela something. So let her tell you what she wants to tell you.
Batloblela today it's your day. I'm had enough. E re ha kopana le la mo strating o nthoge o mpitse de o batlang ka teng. ke tswile mo bophelong ba go. I don't understand. Nkutlwelle. Ke tswile mo bophelong ba go. Ha ise ke tsamaye ke go lwantse after this incident. Mara wena ha kopana le lengwa ntho go ntogelang.
What's the problem ke ntho?
O ntogelang.
Ishole nto ufuna ukuyisho ke ukuthi wena ufuna kwenza kanini.
Re tso bona.
Ukella le no yana ne. Why isn't ke bele ke fetso bu?
Ke isa ke go mpotsa dipotso.
Today, o itse gore ke letsatsi la go la bofelo wa go tshwariwa. For what you did for me. For nna bophelo ba ka bo botle. E se ke great closure. O ya phela go monate o tsamaya di strateng. Your life is okay, but you've destroyed my life. This today. Ha no ntshela ka petrol no sa destroy. Ha no ntshela ka petrol no sa destroy. Even though le ngwana ke ka je kule, o na le trauma ka wena. Lokho no shapa in front of ngwana.
Niyazi ukuthi court batheni kini.
Exactly.
Uthini niya divorce niyahlala njani?
Yes, phelile kwamnayi. I'm willing to do a divorce.
Okay.
Yes.
O reng ka taba divorce?
Ha se tla mpatla gona nteng ka yesa mara ke wa ritika small wetsi ngwana o tsala tso mo matsogong ya ka since day one.
All right, this is part of the things that you are going to have to fix in your life as a man. You're going to have to take responsibility for your actions and what violence you both created in front of Mtwana. Ne? That's on you, right? Naki feditse wena papa. I wish you all of the best. Abakasidlodlo ningasondela abantu abathathu. Sesiqedile thina.
Yeah, Kel. Angisebenzisile namhlanje. Ufila kanjani?
Bengidinga umuntu ozongisebenzisa, ozongisebenzela. Yeah. Abantu bahlule umsebenzi wabo sisandile.
Usho kanjani?
Bahlule umsebenzi wabo. Isikhathe ngisize la. Several times ngicela ukusizwa. No one. Kwa captain kwabani. Akekho ngisizile.
So manje ufila ukuthi usolutholile usizo.
Bona ngilitholile futhi ngiyazizwa nje ukuthi yazokuthini khona okwehlile.
Asike sithi mina naye woman to woman. Uchitile wena.
Yazi ukuchita ngichitile after sengibona ukuthi ke akusekho mnandi endlini.
Okay.
Yeah, lokho anye ngizongiphika, but angabali naloya. Yes ngichitile.
Okay babe. Take care of yourself. I'm sorry about what happened. All the best.
Ngiyabonga.
All right. South Africa, it's been a long day, khathalekile. Kodwa bona mina into engijabulisayo ukuthi ekugcineni